Ever wonder why the rumbling felt so terrifying? It wasn't just the visuals, it was the sound. The soundtrack, Ashes on the Fire PTV, uses deep bass pulses that mimic a slow, heavy heartbeat. It's not random or background noise. It's a deliberate sound design choice, a rhythm of dread echoing across the world, a heartbeat that could be the fear of billions or Eren's own heart, pounding as he marches the world toward extinction. Every Titan footstep moves in sync with that beat. The apocalypse didn't just look terrifying, it sounded alive.